Yeah. So my name's Michael, and I think I've been a client of Rod and Christian and Brittany for 3 months. And yeah, I wish I could pick apart something that had like a poor experience or kind of room for some improvement, but it's really not the case. We created my policy, I believe, in June or July, and right in the middle of the COVID pandemic, and everything from the application, underwriting, all that kind of stuff was all done either via email or on a phone call. And you guys have been like more than one responsive to phone calls and emails, but you've made the process as easy as I could expect, given the benefits of what I'm looking for in my life insurance policy. So I can't say enough for the ease and convenience, and then the openness and availability to you and your team. The team is there for you, because I know in my specific example, I brought to Rod an existing policy that I had, just asking like, hey, what are your thoughts? And it's not a policy that Rod created, so he, after talking with him about it and just getting his opinion outside of being an agent, being able to transfer my existing policy within his company, his independent, unbiased, kind of opinion or biased opinion on it was like, hey, let's look at transferring it, but let's wait. And after that discussion, it kind of made me realize that, if you're just looking for a life insurance producer or agent to fill in boxes and take your money and not really ask any questions and move on to the next client, you're not going to get that with Rod and his team, because in my specific example, and after speaking with Rod, he made the decision like, hey, let's revisit this in February, which now is, roughly 5 months out, because on average, if it was to mirror my current policy, it's almost 2 premium payments that I'm saving by waiting. And I don't think that a more aggressive producer or agent to get me into their portfolio, they want to sell and just do it now, and that wasn't the case with you guys. And I think for me that kind of goes to the integrity and actually listening to the client, and then knowing that we have the product, but the timing may not be appropriate, and then let's move on it when the time is appropriate. So I think that says a lot about the direction and the way you guys view our clients, or view your clients. And for me, that goes a long way, because you guys are thinking, and it's not a quick sell and move on to the next. And I appreciate that relationship that you've created with me, and that means a lot to me personally. I appreciate the ability to pick up the phone, because I know with your connection with Buck Joffrey and other people, and they're way more, they're on the track that I am in a hurry to get on, and I'm making strides to get there and stuff, that you guys, amongst all that, with higher clientele as far as wealth numbers and everything, that you guys still make time for me. And for me, that that's just, it's a huge thing to be able to to come alongside of me in my journey, and you guys have a product that can help me, and it's just like a little network and a little team. And from all communication that I've gotten with you guys, it's like I'm glad that that I found his podcast, which then connected me to a buddy at work who gave me your contact information, and then it's just like it literally is like a little family that I can pick up a phone going like, hey, you're on my team now, whether you like it or not. I have a question. Can you teach it to me like a 4th grader? Okay, now I understand it. And to me, that's invaluable. So thank you.